What you drinking?
Monster, bro. I know it's bad for you. They say there's gasoline in this thing, but everyone needs fuel. We got the rear trunk piece that we removed and we're about to black it out.
How do you open the car with no handles?
Well, from the inside. When it's locked, you just hold on it twice and it unlocks and then the door opens up.
...2017 Rolls-Royce Dawn. This one is actually a unique color. It's actually a dark gunmetal color. Usually we're used to black or white. This gunmetal color was really cool. So we wanted to come up with a kind of a different theme because normally a customer comes in and wants the same things we've done before. So this car, we did a mixture of satin black, shiny black with that gunmetal color. The interior had really cool blue features. So we wanted to add a little bit of blue to the build. So we ended up painting the brakes blue, put the Rolls-Royce sticker on the front, came out really clean. So when you open the door, the blue, the calipers, it all goes together. Really, really nice. We wrapped the hood satin black. We wrapped the entire front grille. That front grille is over 30 pieces. We wrapped every single one of the pieces. You could powder coat, it's just powder coat, it's not reversible really. So when you do this wrap, your front grille actually could be reversible. It doesn't chip like paint in the front, which is great. So everything on the car is wrapped, could be reversed.
Can I get 3 tips on how to be successful? You have 3 tips?
1, be friends with Vic if you want to be successful. 2, if you want to be successful, bring your car to RDB. And the 3rd is get wholesale pricing from Vic. You'll always have money in your pocket.
No! No! That's how you know you're successful.
We also lowered it. We're gonna do some final adjustments on the suspension, the ride height. We lower at least 2-3 Rolls Royces a week. We've pretty much perfected the lowering on these cars. There's certain things you have to do to make sure the car drives right after you lower them. Also Forgiato 24-inch Technica wheels. These are brand new wheels. 24-inch step lip. Also utilizing the Rolls Royce factory caps. So I hope you guys enjoy that one. On to the next one.
Thank you, bro. It's like we saw like a golf cart with like an RDB place on it. I was like, what the fuck, dude? Hey, bro, I appreciate it. Thank you.
What are we doing, man? We just got to the LA Auto Show. We're gonna go check out some cars.
Only on the autobiography, right? Autobiography. Shit's fire. Thanks, brother.
Turn it up, turn it, turn it.
63 coupe, they made it a convertible.
2015 Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Did a full IP exhaust system, including the cap bypass. Still one of the best systems out there, shoots a lot of fire. Has that big pop sound, one of my favorites. The IP system is very loud. One of the loudest out there for this car. We were just driving on the street right and there was an apartment building next to us and an old man from the balcony started cursing us out just because we were at the light.
Woke up somebody. It's messed up. Stressing me out.
That thing is loud. It literally rumbles buildings.
I asked him if he wanted to take a ride.
He said no. His loss.
What happened?
Let's go. I'm down. The dude asked if if he wanted to sit in a car with him, and the dude said no. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Who the hell sleeps? One second, if someone asks you to go on a ride with a Lambo, I think you should say yeah.
You know, that's the #1 thing to Aventador. You gotta get an exhaust system. Rear bumper unfortunately got damaged with this car. Had a crack on it. Pretty big crack. The rear bumper on this car is about $8,000 just for the bumper. So we fixed the bumper. Came out perfect. Customer didn't end up spending $8,000 or $70,000, much less than that.
Right here, but you want to go to Sport, Corsa. Sport, Corsa. Always stay in Sport.
We also did a sound system upgrade. The car has a full Novatech kit. It's a really nice Aventador, also with its custom white interior.